What's good, everybody? It's the last day of SEMA 2018. We got a pretty crazy day ahead of us. There's tons of stuff that we haven't got to look at yet that we want to go and find. We also have SEMA Ignited this afternoon, this evening. It's always a really, really good time. So follow along with us while we do the last couple things that we have on our agenda for 2018. here at SEMA 2018. We've had a really, really good time. The truck has done so well. But again, we want to give a huge shout out to all of our numerous sponsors that helped put this build together. It's been so well received, getting a lot of attention online, in person. There's always a group of people around the car. So we're very stoked to have all of you on board. We could not have done it without each and every one of you. This is probably going to be one of the final videos we do on this truck, but stay tuned because we have a lot more lined out in the future. Thanks for being on this little journey with us, and we'll see you next time.